Okay, I'm replacing the monitor here on my Asus, obviously because I have a pretty gnarly crack on it. Model number of this is the MB169B Plus. And I went ahead and already kind of loosened up the external bezel on this. So you just take a little plastic pry tool to lift this off, and then you'll have access to this frame. Remove 4 screws here, 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 and here, and then we should be able to lift it. I'm gonna do that here after I unplug it. After unplugging it from the power, just want to show you guys I did roll this over, and you can look at the part number on this. It's this LP156WF6 SPH3. If you go to laptopscreens.com, type in the model number, it'll automatically pull up which screen to replace. This is the 30-pin EDP connector over here. Basically just take this tape and just pull and remove that, and we can lift up the LCD screen. So this is the old panel, and I'm going to go ahead and replace it with this new one under this box here. So I'll do a quick unboxing here. After opening up the box, the LCD screen was nicely packaged inside of these 2 UPS padded envelopes on here. It has protected film on top. Back of it does look like it's the same, with the same 30-pin connection. I will plug that in. I'll attempt to plug this in without screwing up the video here. There you go, looks like it's fully seated. I'll install the 4 screws in the corners. All 4 screws are tightened. Before I put the plastic trim around it, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and make sure that it works. Screen is powered up, everything's looking good. You can see here in the display settings that it is connected to the MB169B. Resolution looks good. And now, the most important part. Alright, just gotta snap the plastic trim panel on and we'll be done.